Hey everyone, it's Kate from Designers Kitco. Thank you so much for purchasing our Workday Planner spreadsheet. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set it up and make the most of it. We'll be using Google Sheets for this demo, but everything applies the same way if you're using Microsoft Excel. Let's start from the very first tab, the README page. The README page is your quick start guide. Here you'll find everything you need to know before using the spreadsheet, from how to create your editable copy to how each section works. As you explore the spreadsheet, you'll notice that some of the cells are shaded with color. These are locked to protect built-in formulas from being accidentally changed. All the cells you'll need to edit have a clean white background. Those are fully editable. Once you've read through this page, you're ready to set everything up. If you'd like more details on editing and customizing the spreadsheet, check out the Quick Start Guide and frequently asked questions. Next, we have the Setup tab. This is where you personalize the planner to fit your workflow. This page controls what appears in your drop-down menus throughout the planner, so it's important to complete this step first. On the left, you'll see the color section. You can copy and paste any color from this palette to customize how your tags and priorities look. This helps you visually group your tasks by category. These colors will automatically sync to your Workday Planner part. Next, we have the tags column. These are the categories that organize your tasks. For example, you might list personal duties, work duties, gym, entertainment, or music. Each tag has a color beside it, so you can easily spot it in your daily or monthly view. To its right, you'll find priority levels. You can set these as low, normal, or high and assign a color for each one. For instance, in this sheet, normal tasks are yellow, low tasks are blue, and high tasks are red. Later, these colors will automatically show up in your task priority chart, and calendar next is the to-do status and status category columns. These define the different stages your tasks can be in, such as in progress, done successfully, failed to do, or not started. Each status is linked to a category either pending or closed. This helps your dashboard and progress tracker update automatically depending on whether a task is still ongoing or completed. Finally, the person in charge column lets you list everyone involved in your projects, for example, Mark, Sandy, Vlad, or Mark and Vlad. Once you enter these names, they'll appear as options in your daily planner, so you can easily assign tasks. Once this setup is done, every drop-down and calculation in the planner will reflect your own system, so everything stays consistent and customized to you. Now for the main part, the Workday Planner tab. Here's where you'll plan your entire day in detail. At the top, you'll see a quick summary of your day. This includes the total number of projects, calls, meetings, and emails or messages you have lined up. Below that, you'll find the task priority chart, which gives a visual breakdown of your workload, how many high, normal, and low priority tasks you have. To the right, you can see automatically updated today's date and year for your planning. There's also an important notes box, perfect for reminders like lunch with Nick or anything that stands out for the day. Next, we have the top 3 tasks section where you can highlight your key priorities for the day. This section helps you stay focused on your most important goals before diving into the rest of your to-do list. Below that, you'll see your daily schedule from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m., but you can customize this to whatever time frame you are most comfortable with. You can type in each activity by hour. On the right side of the planner, you'll find separate tables for projects, calls, meetings, emails, messages, and notes and ideas. These act like mini dashboards for each area of your day. And in notes and ideas, you can jot down quick thoughts like research trends in sustainable packaging or prepare talking points for budget review meeting. At the very bottom is the task tracker table. This is where every task from your day is recorded. Each task lists its tag, start, and deadline dates. Days left are calculated automatically. You can also see priority, status, person in charge, and comments. This section updates your charts automatically. So when you mark something as done successfully, It contributes to your completed total in the overall status chart above the overall statuses bar chart, gives you a snapshot of how many tasks are in progress, done successfully, failed to do, or not started, helping you track your productivity over time. It's a super intuitive way to manage your workflow and make sure your schedule stays balanced and realistic. Calendar tab finally, and this is where your month really comes to life. At the very top, you'll see a few filters that make it easy to organize what you see. Here you can show or hide completed tasks, toggle duplicated ones, and choose what the colors represent. Here they show priority. Down the left side, you can set the year, the starting day of the week, and the month you want to view. The small monthly calendar below lets you quickly jump between months. In the main section, each day is displayed as a card. You'll see the day and date at the top, and underneath, the list of tasks scheduled for that day. For example, here, you can see tasks like PDF take photos. Each task has a small colored square that matches its tag or priority, so it's easy to scan visually. Let's try it out. If I turn off Show Completed Tasks, you'll see those finished items disappear, so you can focus only on what still needs to be done. If I switch colors, represent from priority to tags, you'll notice the colors. Now group your tasks in color by categories like personal duties, work, or gym. In the top part, you can filter by priority or tag. So for example, if I pick high priority, the calendar instantly highlights only urgent tasks. Or if I choose personal duties, it shows only items under that tag, like put hanging wires or buy dental mat. If you're tracking recurring items, like a weekly Flowdesk email run, you can use the duplicate toggle to show or hide them depending on how detailed you want your view to be. So that's the calendar tab, a simple interactive monthly view where you can quickly focus on the tasks that matter most. And that's your full walkthrough of the Workday Planner spreadsheet from Designers Kitco. We designed this tool to help you organize your days, visualize your workload, and keep track of progress effortlessly, all in one place. If you ever need extra help, you can always check the Quick Start Guide or reach out through our support link included in your download. Thanks again for choosing Designers Kitco, and happy planning!